This is a brand new 2013 Ford Edge. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a chrome grille, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and a rear spoiler. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Phil Long Ford at Chapel Hills is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 1565 Auto Mall Loop in Colorado Springs.